You didn't
Maybe
have
falafel,
huh,
KFC,
uh-huh,
pizza,
uh-huh.
rice, chicken, and salad, and hummus.
Almost all, of course. You're like a Turk. Okay.
When you guys when you speak guys like Turkish guys, like you are so serious. Like
Who is?
the
Oh, the Turkish guy? No.
Turkish guys, like they use like high pitch.
Really? I don't know. I
Yeah,
never noticed
yeah.
that.
Because you used to.
Oh, maybe. I don't know.
You used to hear them.
They use a high-pitched voice when they're...
Yeah.
Turkish
And
men?
like I think all of you
Oh,
guys.
high-pitched is like this.
No.
They
Don't
use
fake
a
it.
low voice, you mean, right?
No.
Like,
Oh, yeah. Hello.
where are you?
Hello.
Hi.
How are you? I
I'm
wasn't
just...
planning to have this conversation in this place, but it's all happened by chance.
Where are you?
Guys,
Cafe?
it's it's cafe in the mall.
Oh, you're at the mall?
Yeah, the mall.
Ah.
Say hi
Okay.
to Ibrahim.
Hi, Ibrahim.
Hello. Yeah, I'm like about an hour far from you.
You're in Turkey?
Big surprise.
All right, wait, you're in Turkey?
In Turkey, yeah, in
Are you
Istanbul.
kidding me? Where?
I live now in a hotel in Lalali. The funny thing here, and I speak like 3 languages. Okay, like, can I have a bottle of soup? I speak. Okay, I greet. Listen. I greet people with "Salaam alaikum." Okay, and I ask in English, and I thank them
In Turkish.
in Turkish. Oh my goodness! I speak 3 languages. And
Unbelievable. I can't believe this. Wait, I can't. Like, this
yeah,
is so...
okay, I got a visa. I got a visa on Thursday, and at the same day, I reserved a flight to Istanbul, and I flew on Saturday. So I reached
Oh
yesterday.
my God. I can't.
What about the weather? You guys have like 4 seasons a day. What?
I know. The weather
I
is so weird now. Here, too. I'm not in Istanbul anymore, but the weather
yeah
here is like really crap.
yeah I got in my bag winter clothes because yeah I did the research about Istanbul weather, and I reached yesterday, and the weather, it was so sunny, it was so hot, and what I didn't bring any like weather.
Yeah.
Volatile. What is that?
Volatile. The
Vo-
weather, it's volatile. Like, for example, it's really cold in the morning and then it's really hot during the day, or and then it
volatile.
rains and then it gets sunny again and then it gets cold.
Yeah,
It's unpredictable. It changes like a lot.
unpredictable. Yeah,
Yeah, volatile.
I call it like a tricky weather. The tricky eyes.
Okay, so what are you planning on doing? Like, what are you going to see? Where are you going to go?
And this is okay. You can consider like this is my second day. Okay, and I'm now in a tower, Safir Tower, or you call it guys like Safir Tower.
I have
Like
no idea. You act
like
like I
this.
know this place.
Okay, yeah. I think it has like 200 floor. Like if you go like in the top, you can see Istanbul,
Oh, the
360.
Sapphire Tower. Okay.
Yeah.
I do know.
So
I've never been there and I really wanted to go. I can't believe you were
really,
there.
I can,
I
I can show
swear.
I can show you the place online.
Okay. Thanks. I swear. I never went and I really, really wanted to see. Everyone goes except me. You're
Uh-huh.
there right now or you're at the hotel right now?
No, I am like in Safir Tower.
Oh, you are? What time did you get
Yeah,
there? It's so early. Oh, no, it's not early. It's almost 12. What am I saying?
yeah. I am okay. I am like it's funny because I'm a night owl. At the same time, I'm an early bird because I
Oh,
didn't sleep. I didn't sleep. Like, hurry up, guys! I want to discover Istanbul more.
oh my God.
Yeah,
Okay, so you went there
I
for
woke up
breakfast?
I woke up at 5 a.m. today.
Oh, wow.
This is my second tea.
Wow.
What do you call it? What do you call it in
Chai.
Turkey? Chai, just like us.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you say chai, right?
I say chai. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want some?
Yes, I do.
Okay, make yours. Make
I
for you.
will. I will. Right now I'm having coffee though.
Yesterday we went to the restaurant. Actually, it's Syrian restaurant. Okay, and we we haven't eaten for maybe 20 hours. Okay,
The kids too.
yeah, yeah, because they were asleep and they like got the airport, Baghdad airport, and then the meal in the flight in the airplane
Mhm.
was not good, so
Mm.
we
Which
left it. Yeah,
airlines?
fly Baghdad.
Oh, okay. Because Turkish
Yeah,
Airlines has awesome food.
yeah, they serve like pasta and yeah, all like heavy, yeah, meat all as well. But it was like a breakfast. But
How long was your
we
flight?
are we are not good at a breakfast. We are good at
Um,
like
yeah, yeah,
heavy food.
yeah, yeah. I know, I know. I've seen your pictures. Wait, where? How long is your flight from Baghdad to Istanbul?
3 hours.
Oh, okay, that's nothing.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is
Yeah.
the top of the building right now. This is the cafe at
No,
the top.
I'm in the second floor, and
Oh, okay.
after our conversation, I'm gonna go up.
Oh,
I'm,
okay.
I'm not sure about the floors, how many floors this tower has. I'm not sure.
Oh, okay. Is there a fee to go up?
Uh, you mean like elevator?
Yeah. Okay. So like in New
Yeah,
York
yeah, fee,
City,
fee,
when
fee. Yeah,
you.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
oh.
I have to pay for tickets. It
Mm.
says 55 lira for adults,
Oh,
and
okay.
maybe there is like a discount for students. I'm a
Yeah.
student, and
You
my
are a
whole
student
family.
currently.
I'm Cambly student. But what about my little student?
Yeah. I wonder if it would be cheaper for them because they're so tiny.
Yeah, maybe third,
Cute.
maybe it was bish. Yeah, it was bish lira.
What?
It was bish lira for
35 lira. Why
see.
was that
I'm mixing. Yeah, I'm mixing
expensive?
between. No, I posted that story yeah, a couple days ago
I
about
did. Oh,
like
I didn't see it.
yeah, about like I was counting from 1 to 10, and I told them like I can go for more, like, but I read like Kirk Bish, but what about 50? Is it Bish Kish Kish? I don't know. Fish, fashmouche. Allah, yeah. And then Alibish, Alibish, Altmesh, Yadish,
Yeah.
Tahar
Yetmiş.
Ibrahim, Yadish,
Yetmiş. Yetmiş.
Yatmish.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but and then use Lara, meaning 100.
Oh, okay. So it's 70, 80, 90, 100.
Yeah, but
Because you forgot 80, 90, 100.
no, I'm not forgetting, but I don't know.
Oh, you don't care about the 80 and 90. Okay.
Yeah, I will not use them.
Oh, okay, okay, go ahead.
So I will not like, okay. Let's say I will not like use purchase like high prices.
Yeah. Oh,
Let,
okay,
less
okay,
than
okay.
less than Yatmish.
So you don't need 100 either.
But I have to.
Yetmiş.
But yeah, but they gave me. Oh my gosh! I need to change my exchange. Right?
Exchange? Oh,
No,
exchange
no,
your
no, no.
currency?
Uh, I changed like $300, but I need Bazook. Some change.
Bazook.
Bazook. Bazook.
Bazook.
Oh, when you guys like when you speak like guys like Turkish guys, like you are so serious. Like
Who is?
the
Oh, the Turkish guy? No.
the Turkish guys like they use like high pitch.
Really? I don't know. I never
Yeah,
noticed
yeah.
that.
Because you used to.
Oh, maybe. I don't know.
You used to hear them.
They use a high-pitched voice when they're
Yeah,
Turkish
and
men?
like a thick. All of you
Oh,
guys.
high-pitched is like this.
No,
They
don't
use
fake
a
it.
low voice, you mean, right?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I understand. They use their
Yeah.
low, their serious voice.
Serious voice, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I like
I like I said yesterday, I went to a Syrian restaurant, and we didn't like we haven't eaten for 20 hours. Okay, so the waiter just asked us like, what do you want? So I told him like, what do you have? So he told me like, we have falafel and chicken and shawarma and bring it all.
Okay, that's how hungry we are.
Yeah. Okay, let me count. Let me count it for you.
Okay.
We ate falafel,
Oh.
pizza, roasted.
Wait, what's the third
Just
one?
like Kentucky,
Oh, Boston.
roasted,
What's that?
roasted, Kentucky.
Oh, okay. I don't know it. Kentucky? Oh, like
Kentucky. KFC. Yeah,
Ah,
KFC.
okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
and what about rice and chicken, grilled chicken?
This is a really weird mix.
Yeah. And some salads, three sort of salads.
Oh my god, mashallah.
What about? Yeah, that's why I have a big belly.
That's okay. You're gonna walk a lot today, so right?
Exactly. Yeah.
Exactly.
So
Eat.
I'm burning. I'm burning the calories.
Absolutely. Eat everything.
Yeah. I have to. What about the other? I have like 4, maybe 5 dishes. Let me remember.
You
Maybe
didn't have
falafel,
huh,
KFC,
uh-huh,
pizza,
uh-huh.
rice, chicken, and salad, and hummus.
Almost all, of course. You're like a Turk.